Look at that.
We're gonna go that way and then left. We're not a trail, we're just gonna.
Wait lang, honey. I'm gonna video myself.
We'll just wait for
So beautiful. Grabe. Ang ganda. Mhm. Ganda, oh. Super. Ang aming ampon. Yan, oh. Grabe, ang ganda. Shush!
That's the hill.
What the?
That's the mountain. Oh
my God. Ang ganda. Super. Uy! Tingnan mo naman. Jeez. You know, I'm not worried if I sleep. I'm worried about the... Yan. Naghahunting daw kami. But, most of all, nag-picture taking. Oh, diba? Hinahanap namin yung larches. Larch trees. Hindi talaga kami actual na naghahunt. Ang hinhunt namin yung large trees. Pero ang taas na namin ha. O, tingnan nyo. Malapit na kami doon sa pinakatuktok ng kabundukan. Rocky Mountain. May nahanap naman kami mga large trees. Pero naghanap pa rin kami ng maraming. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Cute. Cool. Huh? Huh? Sila po yung... Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda din. Hala, ang ganda. Cinematic yung view. Grabe. This is it. Pansit. Worth it yung aming pag-akyat dito. Ganda ng view. Oh. Ayan. What's that? What's that daw?
Ito.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Tainang?
Kainan, honey? Elk?
Elk.
Elk.
Elk daw.
Where are you there? I'm looking for a bear.
Lakas ng loob kasi may baril. Looking for a bear. Lakas ng loob. Tara. Oh, ang layo na namin.
You tell black bear poop from usually poop.
Ano.
Black bear poop has berries and roots and a little bit of hair.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Usually has a lot of hair. Smells like pepper spray, and it's got those noisy dingle balls, and it's in bones from the hikers.
Grabe, ang ganda oh. Kakatakot yung lakaran. Kunti lang nagpunta dito kasi malayo siya. Malayo siya na ano, hahantingan. Yan. Yan. Ano? Tinuod ko. Oh, hinahanap namin ang aming hinahanap. Ganda oh. Grabe. Lapit na natin sa bato. Rocky Mountain. Grabe, ang ganda. I love it. Grabe. Oh. Ito, dito kami oh. 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 Ganda oh. Gusto pa namin pumunta doon. Ang ganda. Worth it yung aming pag-akyat din eh. Ganda super. Oh. Mga larges. Okay. We take a rest for a bit, honey, or what?
Huh?
Could we take a rest for a bit?
Well, let's take a rest where it opens up.
Oh, okay.
And then
Which view?
I think it opens up in half a thing.
Ganda.
And I have to take 2 Advil for my feet.
Huh? You want Advil? Right now?
Now when we stop, I'm gonna take 2 Advil for the foot for the way up. Oh yeah, I'll do it when we sit down.
Where are we gonna sit down?
In the opening.
Ah, okay.
We're gonna go 500 meters. If it doesn't open up, our timeline won't allow us to go to yeah.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, like you say, I thought
Ooh, this is amazing. Wow. Nice.
okay, babe.
Wow. Honey, come on.
Is it all you dreamed about?
Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Nasa ilalim na kami ng bundok, Rocky Mountain. Wow. Grabe. Here we are. Oh. Here we are. Oh. Hanap na namin ang large dito. Diba ang ganda? Shoes. This is it. Pansit. Ay, ano ba yun? Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda.
Nice little high, clear bench.
Honey, here.
I gotta get there in the trees.
Yeah, here.
Closer, asan eh?
Bawal na kaniwi. Maganda pa doon, sa likod niya na yun. Yung maganda pa dyan.
Look at that. You're standing under the big one. She's under the short one.
Look at this, oh, grabe, oh.
So, is it working?
Honey, let's go there on that gravel later and so that we can see this.
Look.
Well, we're gonna go right there, and you'll be able to see everything.
Diri, Wing, honey, here. Wing, come here, Wing. Here.
Look at it. I see it every day.
Okay.
It's different rocks, eh? Rocky Mountain.
Well, once we get out on that nub there, you'll be happier.
Oh, okay. Sabi niya, we'll be happier daw pagdating doon. May naamoy akong pupo. What smells, honey?
What's the smell, honey?
Seems like poopy. Ha? Ito na. Grabe, ang ganda. Amazing. Oh. Oh. Okay. This is it. Pansit. Nawala ng aming tour guide. Oh. Okay. Lord Jesus.
You come in with 5 people and 5 bear spray.
5 people. Grabe, ganda.
2's not enough?
2 is not enough?
No.
Yeah. So what mountain is this, honey? Huh? Rocky Mountain.
Steep one.
Huh?
The steep one.
Steep one.
Yeah. The cliff face.
Oh. Ganda, uy.
I can't remember the names of the mountain.
Video yan eh.
But it is actually Storm Mountain. But I think Storm Mountain's at the end there.
Where's the Storm Mountain?
It's the end up there.
Ate, selfie tayo dun sa ano, oh. Teka.
Yeah. Just like this is Storm Creek and that's Storm Mountain.
Oh.
Nakatalikod ano. Yun na,
Saan?
sana hindi siya against the light.
Saan?
Yan, yan.
Kanya, wait lang. Ay, tapusin mo muna to.
Ay,
Pangit kasi ang likod wing eh.
try mo lang.
Ha?
Try mo nga.
Yan, uwi na kami. Tapos ng aming adventure. Pero malayo pang aming lalakarin hanggang sa doon sa truck. Ilang oras? Naka 2 hours tayo? We got 2 hours walk, honey? Hike?
Yep.
Oh, bad. Not bad. So, uwi na kami. Tapos ng aming picture taking, hunting pala namin ay ang large trees, hindi yung animals, ha? For your information. hindi kami naghunting ng animals. Naghunt lang kami ng large trees. Ba? So, tagal. Tiga picture daw tayo, Wing. Ang ganda. Ay, grabe.
Karami naman.
Oo, ganyan yung picture. Mamili ka. Halos pare-pareha. Bahala, mamili. Maganda dito hikingan kasi walang nakakapunta. Kami lang. Kasi may baril kami. Pag pumunta kayo dito, kailangan nyo ng baril. Hindi pwedeng walang baril kasi ano to eh. Hunter's place. Pero hinanap namin ang bear, hindi ayaw lumabas. Itong isa gustong makita ang bear. Ayaw man lumabas. Yeah. Medyo mahirap ang daan. Pero kinaya namin. Kasi kagustuhan namin eh. Ano? Pero worth it naman. Pwede na nga kami umuwi. Kasi natunto na namin ang aming gusto. O diba? Ambitious. Hala, nasa na? Try ko. Huwag kang mawala. Hindi, basta. Sumunod ka. Diyan ba yun? Honey? Yeah. Hindi na alam ang pauwi. Patay tayo, nag-loss na kami. Grabe. Worth it yung kami pagpunta. Okay. Bye-bye. Ayan, nakabalik na kami sa aming truck after naming maglakad ng 5 hours doon sa tuktok ng bundok na super ganda. At nahanap namin ang aming gustong hanapin, yung largest trees at yung magandang Rocky Mountain. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!